We can't wait to welcome you to our new teaching year, and keeping safe is our priority.
We've been working hard all summer to make our buildings safe and to make sure that you can still enjoy the same high-quality learning experience.
First thing that we need to tell you is we're now using 2 entrances. If you study acting, applied theatre and community drama, dance, or theatre and performance design or technology, you will now use the art school building through the Mount Street entrance.
And if you study creative technologies in performance, management, music, or sound technology, please use our Pilgrim Street entrance. So 2 entrances means fewer people in hallways and reception areas, and it also will cut down on movement around the building. So some changes you'll notice right away. This thermal imaging camera takes your temperature as soon as you walk in the building. Am I good? Good. All right. So anybody with a temperature above 37.8 degrees Celsius must not enter the building. And in fact, if you've got any symptoms of COVID-19, you won't be able to enter the buildings until you've completed a self-isolation period or you've tested negative. You'll also need to follow government guidelines and our absence notification protocols. Now, this is for your safety, but it's also for the safety of your classmates, your teachers, and all of our staff.
Once in, you will see our signs directing you safely around the buildings.
Anytime that there isn't a one-way system, we just ask that you keep left. The number of passengers in our lifts at once will also be limited. So for most of our lifts, that means 1 person at a time. But, you know, there are signs, give them a read. But actually, whenever possible, let's leave the lifts to those who really need them. Come on, let's take the stairs.
Keeping your hands as clean as possible remains key to staying safe. We've installed these hands-free sanitizers across key locations in our buildings. Everyone will get a door opener as part of their care package. This also includes a bottle of hand sanitizer and a face covering. Speaking of which, when you're in a communal area like this corridor, please remember to wear your face covering.
In response to this crisis, we've put an enhanced cleaning regimen in place. Extra cleaning staff are working throughout the day to keep the buildings safe. And we've also purchased some specialist cleaning equipment for our dance studios and for PCs, music gear, and electronic equipment.
We all have a part to play in keeping each other safe. If you're using shared equipment, please make sure that you clean it and the surrounding areas afterwards.
The canteen is one of our main social spaces, and I'm happy to say it will be open. But for the first term at least, our lovely canteen ladies will be serving a takeaway only menu. And like the rest of the campus, the canteen will be entirely cashless.
And you can still enjoy your food in comfort while speaking to your friends socially distancing. We've added some extra tables and chairs into this atrium.
The Learning Resources Center will also be open, but we'll be limiting the number of people who can use it at the same time.
We've installed an online print credit top-up service to reduce payments and a 72-hour quarantine system for all returned books and materials.
Learning here has always evolved to reflect the industry, so adapting is nothing new. This year, we'll be combining face-to-face teaching with practical work and online learning.
We believe the recent investments we've made into our digital facilities and technology-enhanced learning means that we're still able to deliver a high-quality learning experience.
For instance, we can now film our teaching sessions. Filming our sessions means that they'll be available to self-isolating students or, for example, overseas students who might not be able to get here at the start of the year. Sometimes it means that we'll be able to split you out across a number of different classrooms for the same class. And it also means that sometimes you'll be able to refer back to your sessions afterwards.
Staff offices have changed too. Workspaces have been reconfigured, and in some cases desks have been removed or extra screens have been added. This means that some staff are working on a work from home or work from the office rota.
The staff working from home will still be available by email, and a lot of them will also be available on Skype and Microsoft Teams.
Daily life will be different, and there are likely to be changes as government guidance changes. We will continue to learn and adapt throughout these times to ensure that our students have the most enjoyable and high-quality learning experience possible.
We all want to be safe, and we all want to have a great year, so ultimately it's going to be up to all of us to be responsible and smart, to be kind to each other, and to put each other first. Each of us will have to do our part. We really are all in this together.